Hello guys, welcome or welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, my name is Nikita. In today's video, I'm bringing to you some holiday looks for if you're going to a gathering, an office Christmas party, or whatever. If you just want to be cute for the holidays, we're gonna get you right, girl. Let's just get into it. Okay, so first up, you guys, I paired these faux leather leggings with this vested, this is type of a Sherpa type material, red and black. Yeah, red and black, you could never go wrong, of course, because it's the holidays. But yes, I feel like I took it over the top with the little Chanel pin and the little Chanel bracelet and another bracelet. And yeah, the pump is very classy, very nice. You're gonna be talked about, yes. You're gonna be cute, yes. And then you're also gonna be warm and comfortable. And if you had to throw on a coat with this, but I wouldn't think that you would have to if you're going right into the venue. Maybe if you have like some leather gloves on or something like that, and just match this with a nice clutch, and you are ready. I love the color combination. I love the sophistication and the sleekness of the pump. And these are comfortable, so we're gonna dance too. Next up, you guys, we have this cream glittered sweater with exaggerated sleeves. I love the exaggerated sleeves. You can actually roll them up a little bit and it still looks just as nice, just as exaggerated long. And I paired it with these green faux leather leggings and just a cute little nude pump. And I just grabbed this little clutch because I felt like it was so nice with the combination and with the bag. And I've just, you know, exaggerated this little Chanel necklace with it. But yes, I love the color combination. And let me tell you, I had to jump to get into these, okay? I think Beyonce said that, or somebody said that if you ain't got to jump to get in them, then something wrong, okay? But yeah, make sure you size up in your faux leather leggings, ladies, please, size up. But yeah, I love the color combination. I think that you are going to look so classy, so sophisticated. They're not gonna like you no more. When you go back to work Monday, they're gonna be like noses in the air. But yeah, very comfortable. The little pump is dance appropriate. We're gonna dance. But yeah, I love this. I love the green. I love it. All right, you guys, so last up we have this little ensemble. I could not decide between the previous one and this one, which one was my fave. I feel like they're my favorites for different reasons. That one's more relaxed, you know, kind of, it's comfortable, of course. But this one is chic. This one is you saying something when you walk in the room with this. It's these wine-colored satin-esque inspired pants and just a simple white bodysuit. I've paired it with the black pump and also the obnoxious Chanel necklace and just some gold jewelry. And yes, I feel like this is just so classy, so sophisticated. If you wear this to your office party, they're not gonna like you no more. They probably already don't like you, but they're not gonna like you no more. Or even if you wear it to your family holiday gathering, the haters in your family, they really gonna have a reason to hate. But yeah, this is very this is just classy. This is just classy. It is just très chic. It is chef's kiss. But I love this. I feel like you will definitely turn a lot of heads and you might find your husband at the party. I don't know. And then we're gonna bop and dance because the pump is comfortable. But I love it. Please, guys, let me know what you think. I love this one. Let me know what you think. All right, you guys, that is it for another one. As usual, let me know what you think. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so that you will not miss another video from me. Happy holidays, everybody. See you next time.